Welcome to Personal Finance Basics, your complete guide to managing your money wisely. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, this video will give you the knowledge you need to make sound financial decisions. Let's get started. Setting financial goals. The first step in managing your personal finances is setting clear financial goals. These goals will serve as a roadmap on your financial journey. Here's how to do it. Identify short-term and long-term goals. Set short-term goals, 1-3 years, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. Identify long-term goals, 5-10+ years, such as retirement savings or buying a home. Make your goals SMART. Specific. Clearly define what you want to accomplish. Measurable. Set quantifiable milestones to track progress. Achievable. Make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. Relevance. Align the goals with your values and priorities. Time limit. Set a deadline for achieving the goals. Budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of sound financial management. It helps you understand where your money goes and how to allocate it wisely. Keep track of your income and expenses. Write down all your sources of income, including your salary and other income. List your monthly expenses, including fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and variable expenses such as food and entertainment. Make a budget. Subtract your expenses from your income to determine your free income. Allocate a portion of your free income to savings and debt repayment. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to keep track of your expenses and stay on track. Emergency fund. An emergency fund provides financial security in case of unforeseen circumstances. Here's how to create one. Set a goal. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start saving. Start a separate savings account for an emergency fund. Automate contributions to ensure that you are always saving. Debt management. Debt management is essential to financial stability. Let's find out how to manage it. Debt list. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Prioritize debts with high interest rates. To save money in the long run, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. Make a debt repayment plan. Consider strategies such as the debt snowball or avalanche method of debt repayment. Savings and investments. To build wealth, you need to save and invest. Here's how to get started. Save for retirement. Contribute to retirement accounts to secure your financial future. Diversify your investments. Invest in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread your risk. Stay informed. Constantly research investment options and strategies. Financial education. Finally, never stop learning about personal finance. There are countless resources to help you make informed decisions. Read books and blogs. Explore personal finance books and websites. Attend seminars and workshops. Consider attending financial education events in your area. To summarize, personal finance is a lifelong journey, and if you follow these basic principles, you will achieve financial success. Remember to set goals, budget, build an emergency fund, manage debt, save, invest, and continue your financial education. Your future financial well-being is in your hands. Start today and secure a bright tomorrow. Thank you for watching the Personal Finance Basics video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable finance tips. Your financial success starts with the right knowledge and smart choices.